Hey guys, Boxers of 93 here. So for today's unboxing, I'm going to unbox Advanced Averazer MS White version. Really awesome. This is the balance type Beyblade, and I get this from the HMS custom try set. So if you want to check it out, just click the link description below. So yeah, let's unbox it. So here's the running core. It is a semi-flat running core. Semi-flat tip, and here's the weight disc, and here's the tag ring and the bit chip or bit protector. So yeah, so let's unbox this Beyblade. Oh sorry, let's assemble this Beyblade. Sorry guys. Oh, sorry, I will get the lock and I'll be back in a moment. So I get the red launcher from the HMS custom try set. I'm going to use this part, which is the lock part. Oops, it's quite hard. Yeah, here's the HMS Advanced Averazer MS. This base the balance type, so yeah, I'll put the stickers on it and I'll be back in a moment. So guys, I've just put all of the stickers, so yeah, let's see. From the running core with the green sticker, and here's the bit protector HMS balance. And here's the attack ring. Oops, focus. Yeah, it kinda reminds me of the Transfer GT attack ring. The shape of it is kinda similar. So yeah, let's assemble this. So here's the HMS Beyblade Advanced Averazer White version. Stamina type. Oh sorry guys, balance type I mean. Really nice Beyblade. So yeah, that's the unboxing for today. So also check out my other unboxing videos. I hope you enjoyed it guys. So yeah, that's the unboxing for today. So Boxers of 93 is out.